Mamelodi Sundowns shayo Marumo Gallants but-ke noma kune-chaos kunama-player nje especially those players stand out. La ngifuna ukukhuluma ngoMalibongwe Khoza, no mistake bafethu, 90 minutes yonke no mistake plus 120 minutes same energy. And then kune-player elisha kuMamelodi Sundowns uNuno Santos. What a player bafethu. I think it's such a joy ukubukela lama-player wethu. Siyazi ukuthi uNuno Santos-ke beka-under pressure ukuthi adelive naye, obviously i-game beyinama-stakes amakhulu. As a good pass of the ball, I think maybe bangamdlalisa kwenye i-position because he was too advanced, kumele abe yi-creator than ukuthi abe close to i-box. But yeah, i-pressure ayitholile laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns, nanokuthi uMiguel Cardoso ufuna ukurelya kuye too much, kanti kumele amnike i-space sokuthi aphefumule, and then they will see the best of him because yonke into uyenza ibonakala engathi ilula mfethu. Kumnandi ukubukela umuntu olaziyo ibhola, like o-master, like into ey'ncane, small details, yabo. That's the importance of football. Malibongwe Khoza-ke since bam-introduce-ile ku-professional football hasn't looked back. Every game ayidlalayo make sure ukuthi uyadeliver. Is highly influential laphana emuva. iMamelodi Sundowns at times vele iba-shake laphana emuva, but uMalibongwe Khoza noma thola ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns ayikho i-fluidity yakhona iyaleka, but yena i-performance yakhe always stands out as one of the biggest performers laphana ethimini. Siyazi ukuthi una-21 or so, but guess what, ama-performances wakhe bafowethu, hayi lo muntu lo u-strong ngempela. I mean, i-partnership yakhe no-Cupido important kakhulu. I think i-identity overall ye-Mamelodi Sundowns ufitha in like a glove in terms of i-defense, elikwazi ukuprotect ibhola, ukwazi ukumaka, i-aggression yakhe important in terms of ukuthi a-recover amabhola, ukuthi asize i-team, and is a good pass of the ball, is comfortable on the ball, uyalibamba ibhola aye phambili kancane nalo before decide ukuthi uphasa bani. So I mean, kumele siwa-celebrate ama-players adlala kanje bafethu, ama-moments of brilliance. You don't have to have over the top of football or to play over the top football, but a technical excellence laphana, pure joy to watch what Malibongwe brings to the field. Ngathi uno-10 years edlala professional, but guess what, not even 2 years, full 2 years laphana ku-professional setup ayikho. Obviously-ke abacoach uMiguel Cardoso. Miguel Cardoso uye ko-confuse as ucoach laphana. Unama-player wakhe arelya kuwo too much, akafuni like ukudlala, akadlalise namanye ama-player good. Hayi ukuthi aloku anika abantu abayi-1 benza into eyodwa every game, no. Introduction-ke kaKhoza be-important kakhulu laphana bafethu emuva. Young South African footballer-ke lena bafethu, ukhona nakuBafana Bafana, ubuya nalaphana ku-Chen. I mean, he's one of the new generations of ama-defender bafethu. Une-passion yakhe, precise, like u-driven, uyambona ukuthi umuntu osebenza kanzima kakhulu bafethu. He's running, tracking back, making sure ukuthi they don't outpace him, and then is able to read the game very, very well. Asingeneni-ke ku-Santos bafethu. I mean, what a player. Yabo, lento le bengisho ukuthi akumelanga sibheke like into ey'nkulu ezenziwa ama-player inside the field of play, but izinto ey'ncane yize ezisibonisayo ukuthi lo muntu wayeplay serious. So uSantos ubuye ePortugal. I mean, technically-ke siyamazi ukuthi u-strong kakhulu. I mean, experience yakhe kuma-European systems iyasibonisa ngempela ukuthi ukhulele kuma-structures a-right. Position le abekwe kuyo uyakwazi ukuyi-maintain adlale khona. Very, very calculative. I-partnership yakhe kuzobonakala ukuthi bazompartner, ubani ozoba i-partner yakhe, because you can't pay him nolo ku-position or side to side no u-Allende kusho ukuthi flexibility yakhe izoba minimum if like uSantos uzophusha phambili kakhulu. But I felt like when I'm watching him, I feel like uSantos kumele abe i-number 10. I-number 10 but engekho too forward kakhulu, uzokwazi ukushaya lawo ma-passes lawo. Intelligent, like in terms of i-local game, baningi abantu kumele bafunde kuye, bambukele ukuthi udlala kanjani. I mean, wenza yonke into ibonakala ibe lula. I-European experience yakhe nanokuthi udevelophe kahle, I mean, umuntu ongatransforma iMamelodi Sundowns to an unstoppable force. But you can't transform i-team uwedwa, udinga wonke umuntu kube abe in sync, wonke umuntu adlale kahle. And they have to know how to anticipate ama-passes wakhe. They have to know how to hold the ball, because it's very difficult for ama-players wethu thina ukuthi from a long pass atrap ibhola nje kahle. Ulo first touch beautiful, pass beautiful. Kuma-small spaces uyakwazi ukuphasa kahle, umdlalo ongaba important, super skillful. Yazi there were times la kunebhola engilibonile la bamblockile lapha bamvalile but he was able to ukushaya i-cross laphana. So umdlali ohlezi abheke something ukuthi okay, he can make something out of nothing, he can push for the team, he can create for the team, but i-mindset yakhe for yena ucreator for iMamelodi Sundowns. Siyazi ukuthi badlala ama-game a-different but-ke ihanga from amanye ama-players sort of ngathi ayikho. Or asazi ukuthi ngempela kwenzakalani. I mean obviously-ke i-structure sakhe ulo uSantos sibaluleke kakhulu. Organize umuntu wakhona uba i-bridge between like ilokhunjana i-midfielder laphana nama-forwards, but-ke obviously would be i-execution ukuthi how do they make sure ukuthi u-flexible nanokuthi udlala i-best game yakhe le yena ayijwayele, uzokwazi ukuba sharp nanokuthi bamu-understand bafowethu ukuthi udlala kanjani. Kumele a-adapte to ama-formations obviously mid-game. Yeah, there are things ekumele bayifunde. I mean kumele bazi uku-anticipate amaphasi wakhe, bakwazi ukumdlalisa, bazi ukuthi uspecialize kanjani, hhayi kudlalwe nje for i-sake of ukudlala. Abo-Reynas laphana phambili kumele bazi ukuthi uzobathola ngama-passes, bayazi kumele libambile ukuthi uyakwazi ukuphasa kahle kakhulu. So I mean iplayer ngempela leli lizoba important kakhulu if uzokwazi uku-adapta impilo yase-South Africa nama-weather kahle nje, everything that comes with playing kuma-foreign countries. Ukhoza-ke sengibuyela kuye kancane bafowethu, wenza iMamelodi Sundowns i-click-e kangcono laphana emuva. I mean i-partnership yakhe njengoba no-Cupido bengishilo ukuthi ingcono than amanye ama-partnership esike sawabona. I mean une-height, u-right, i-player eli-maintain i-position kahle, eli-make sure ukuthi u-connect-a kahle namanye ama-players wakhe. Njengoba bengishilo ukuthi sokunesikhathi isikhashana nje bampromotile but-ke u-understand-a i-game than ama-players amaningi. Ama-performances wakhe a-good ngempela. Like I hardly see ukhoza aba ne-bad performance. Kuyenzeka-ke amaphutha phela lapho nalapho because it's part of the beautiful game, but guess what, umdlalo ubaluleke kakhulu. And ukhoza already ayamfuna ama-teams ye-Europe but iMamelodi Sundowns ithe no, awuyindawo okwamanje. So sisivale la bafowethu, but yeah uSantos uletha i-strong European influence and kuyabonakala. I mean i-fluidity yakhe laphana, i-passing yakhe, ku-positional rotation laphana, ama-movements wakhe kuyabonisa ngempela ukuthi oh okay, there's something special about this one. But mawubheka kahle kahle there's nothing special. Into esingathi special futhi akusi-special into ayifundile laphana ukuthi okay kudlalwa kanje nakanje nakanje. iMamelodi Sundowns ithanda ukudominate i-position but-ke they lack that thing manje ukuthi bona ba-produce into e-right, bafome i-structure esi-right. If lonke iplayer lingadlalela uku-understand i-role yakhe ne-phase yakhe as an individual yabo as an individual, and ama-transition kuyoba lula because they would understand ukuthi uma-transitional plays kumele balinike ibhola uSantos, then Santos uzobanika lelo pass eli-good. I mean very calculative, super creative, une-flair, una-everything. Ama-midfielders afana naye bafowethu, ama-midfielders nje ama-play makers, a-make sure ukuthi wenza izinto zenzeke overall. But yeah, I mean it's great obviously at the same time ukubona ukhoza eshape izinto kanjena nokuthi aperforma kahle kanje laphana emuva. Hopefully-ke i-impact yakhe izokwazi ukuba khona nalaphana ku-CAF Champions League because they're chasing i-CAF Champions League and they wanna bring it home. But-ke sizibambelane kwamanje bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, making sure ukuthi le page lifika ku-15,000 subscribers.